Welcome everyone to this live stream. Welcome. Allow me to take a few minutes to shout out our stream. Welcome everyone to the stream. I also have some really nice news for us, and I'm about to pin a message to this live chat. Welcome everyone. So I just pinned the message in the live chat. You guys should be able to see it, and welcome everyone. And the announcement is that I actually have created a Discord earlier today, which as you can see is here. And we have already gotten 50 members, which is really nice. You can join the Discord right now. I actually should put it in the description as well. Let me do that real quick. Welcome everyone, welcome Hamza, welcome Gaspard, welcome guys. So this is the Discord. We already have 50 members and we just can connect here. It's a place to connect. We have some announcements here, which is going to be for, just for me to talk here. We have YouTube notifications, which is my videos, live streams, but the juice, the important things are here. General is where we can connect, we can talk. I'm on here literally all day, not like every minute, but I'm checking this very, very often. And I can see guys already started talking here, started connecting here. Two folks from Belgium. So really nice to see people finding each other and connecting. And this is what the Discord is for. Of course, Pump Talk. You can just talk about Pump.FUN here, anything about Pound.FUN discussions, general chat. As you can see, this person is most likely from the live stream. Pump show. This is where you can show your Pound.FUN coins. So everyone can send their links here, projects and everything. And I'll actually be picking stuff from here on my live streams because I think it's a really useful section. And I as well will be sending my plays here, not just on Telegram, but also here. And here you can actually talk to me and to other people, so it's even better. I feel like Discord is really nice. And here you can post your wins, post your profits, really interesting function. And we have Tommy Crypto's Discord as well, which I think is amazing. Already at almost 2k members, and I think that we certainly can reach a couple hundred members without any issues, like in the next few days. And yeah, just grow this Discord. Welcome Hugo, nice to have you on the stream. Ivanildo, welcome to the stream. Join the Telegram, that's nice. We see 3 people already joined. We have 50 people at the moment, and I'm sure that this will grow, and this will be really, really nice for all of us, for our community. But today we're going to be researching PUMP.FUN coins, but I'll start this live stream a bit differently. We have Tommy.Crypto's Discord, and he has the same pump shoe section on his Discord, and I really often pick my PUMP.FUN coins, to look at from here, because the community of Tommy is sending those coins in here, and it's really nice, and I always pick coins from here if I can't find anything on PUMP.FUN. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We'll just open some coins right away, and you guys can show me some coins in the chat already, so we can kickstart this live stream. And we're doing it a bit differently today with picking the coins. You can find really many plays from here. That is very nice. There are time sensitive calls though, that is the only issue. If you are looking at those calls like hours later, they might no longer be as optimal, no longer be as interesting or dead by then, but we're going to open just a few because it is useful. This is already dead. That is pretty clear, so I'm going to close it. Welcome everyone to this live stream. This is the last one I'm going to open from here. It's already dead as well. So now we're going to open a bunch of PUMP.FUN coins from this usual bump order. And welcome everyone to this live stream. Happy to have you here, guys. And first we're going to be exploring some coins from yesterday's live stream. And this one we can see is dead by now, and we saw a decrease in volume, and of course it was foreseen that it's gonna go down. We can take out the volume indicator, and you can see what it's telling us: decrease in volume and decrease in price, just like this, and never going to recover. So I'm going to close this coin right away. This one as well, same exact thing, completely foreseen. Decrease in volume, and the price as well tanked, and it isn't going to recover. We can check out the volume, and exactly what I told you guys, the volume just dies out and those coins never recover. But we had a few nice ones which went to radium. This one did go to radium and died, I think. Yeah, it's dead by now. Closing that one. This one as well had a nice halo pattern, but died out, and here probably the developer sold out, probably because look at that candle. We can refresh it, but it's completely dead. $13K in market cap, so I'm closing that one as well. This one there as well, back to $5K in market cap. So all projects, if you leave them open for 24 hours, they really all die. This one as well is dead, $5K in market cap. Still could have ridden the wave, but they're all dead by now. This one, $40K in market cap. So this one did go up a bit since yesterday, which is surprising, even to radium, because lifespans of those coins are so short, as you can see. And look at this bullish chart. This is almost a perfect chart. Like perfect movement, perfectly bullish, healthy chart, and this is a slow mooner. Very, very nice chart. Anytime here you could have bought and made some juicy gains, and it did go to radium. Let's check how high. Yeah, completely classic, just going down right away and never recovering. It had some sort of a pump here, but it really was not a good trade on radium, unfortunately. We can check out Temi, which is back to $19K in market cap. Refresh the DEX screener. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Yeah, Hamza, I'll read your message in a bit. Like, you asked the same question yesterday, and I think that I did answer, but we can cover it again for sure, yeah. This coin now. Really needs better market conditions, as simple as that. No volume at the moment. Without volume, coins can't do anything, unfortunately. But it's holding the level pretty nicely at about $20 in market cap for already like almost a week. So that is a pretty safe entry, I would say. Safe, but not risk-free. Safer, but not risk-free. Trader, I can see $400k in market cap. Not sure why it's not refreshing. Now it is $400k in market cap, so clearly it's down tremendously, down a lot, which we don't like to see. Really a lot. It had a support level at 900k or so, which we discussed yesterday, and I will draw it again for you. Or no, the support is at 400k, not 900k. So as you can see here, guys, resistance, resistance, acting as support here, support, support. So this is the support level. It is just hovering around this support level, just a bit above it. So here, if there is no volume, it's just going to consolidate and eventually go down. If volume kicks in, it can pull some sort of a reversal move like this, but unless volume kicks in, the coin for now is dead for the time being. But it's at the support level, so that's at least good. So it has still the chance of resurrecting, of course. This coin I found from Tommy's Discord, and a reversal chart, second wave chart, as you can see, first wave coin, then the volume died down, I'm pretty sure, then it kicked in, and you can see a bit of, there is slightly more volume than here, and this was kind of an accumulation phase, and it could have already made 3x profits, and the second wave is usually higher than the first one if there is enough volume and momentum, so this could have been a nice trade if we spotted this earlier. Almost a perfect trade. And the second wave coins, the beauty with them is they're way safer, not completely safe, not risk-free, but way safer than those first wave coins. First wave coins are quick pumps and dumps, and most never recover. And when volume dies down, when the first wave, when the price dips, then you should look for bullish signs in this accumulation phase. And if you see volume kick in, developer still holding, as you can see from here, he is. And then it can go for a second wave pretty nicely. And it's usually a really easy trade. So it's really easy to spot this setup. We can keep an eye on this coin, by the way, but it's high up already. That is an issue. So a bit late for this trade. This is dead. Didn't even need to analyze it. This just doesn't look healthy to me. That is an issue. Interesting meme, Americat Express, somewhat unique, but again, it's those cats, and cats really overused. A dog, also kind of overused. We can take a look at this coin though, because it has nice market cap. Website, really average website, as you can see. Volume indicator, coming in clutch. And I like the volume, the fact that it's more or less consistent over time. It did have a few points where it dipped completely, like died down, but the volume always came back, and you can see it's waving with the volume. And the volume is important, as you know. The holder distribution looks nice. Developer is holding. Dex screener prepaid, which is $300, a really nice bullish sign. There is some sort of a community. There is a burn happening. The developer is burning the coins. He burned 1%, and he showed proof, which means it's not just a fantasy or a promise. He actually is delivering on his promises, and community really is hyped here. I feel like it's really bullish community. Definitely excited for the Telegram. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Welcome everyone. Join the channel. Only 22 subscribers, and it's a channel, so it's not a group. So this is a bit weird. You want the developer to create a group for the coin so everyone can talk, But here is just the announcements from the developer and just one announcement and no voice chat, no nothing. So I'm really disappointed to see this Telegram. That's for sure not good. For sure not good. We'll keep this open. It's at 10k dollars. Besides the Telegram, this coin looks pretty good if the volume doesn't fade away. Let's look for some coins from here, from the PUMP.FUN. You guys can show me tokens in the chat and join the Telegram, the Discord, and also the Telegram, which I have both pinned here in the live chat. I saw some inappropriate pictures right now. This one with one reply might be rug pull. Interesting to check out. Look at this big candle. Planet of the Apes, an AI picture. Yeah, clearly a rug pull developer holding 57%. Really easy to spot those rug pulls, guys. As you can see, he bought for 35 Solana, which is a lot, and he's going to dump on you. Now I just saw a show in the live chat, which is for this coin, Kui. Let's check out Kui coin. Is it on PUMP.FUN or on Dex Screener? Because I can't really find it from here. Maybe it's on Dex Screener. So it's supposed to be this one, almost a week old, Dex Screener coin, $665 in market cap. Hi Nick, hi Anas, welcome to this live stream. Sorted by market cap, and let's check this coin. Communities request from the live chat. Interesting waves, interesting chart. Looks kind of healthy, a week old. Is this a hamster? I think it's a hamster. That is interesting. Website. So there is no website. That is not good. Holders. Holder distribution looks pretty great. The volume 1 million in the last 24 hours. 5-minute volume not too good. 1 hour volume pretty decent, $30k in market cap. Let me show you the dip levels. We're not going to dive too deep in this coin. I'm not sure why my Fibonacci reset though. I have my custom one, so let's try again. That would be really unfortunate. Yeah, like my Fibonacci is gone unfortunately, I don't know why. But I will get it back after this stream, I guess. But we can join the Telegram and check out the coin. What it's about, 700 subscribers. I'm not sure why it's a channel again. It's not a group, it's a channel. And there is a developer just talking by himself, and there is no active discussions because it's not a group, you know? So I feel like that's really not good. Maybe I have to join this. Tap to verify, start. Oh yeah, we got to the group now. 1k members. Chat is logs are doing some kind of raids. That is nice. Website, we can check it from here. So there is a website. Memes are nice. If it's variety, even better. You can choose the memes. That is what meme coins are for. But a really simple website. That is the issue. That is the issue. But the chart looks good. The volume decent. Not sure if it's named though. Really, like, the thing is that this coin has been live for about a week, and what are you expecting from this coin? Like, if you bought it at this level and it went up to like a few $1 million in market cap to a new all-time high, you have to understand that you would be profiting only like 2, 3, 4x and holding this coin for days. So this is the only issue with aping into those mid-term and mid-market cap coins. It really sucks that I don't have my Fibonacci right now. I really need to get it back. Let's take a look at other coins. Show me some in the chat as well. Any coins that you like. Welcome everyone to this live stream. This coin has a nice slow moon chart. You can see it going up over time, really healthy looking, and even not a day old at $40K in market cap. So if you spotted this chart earlier, could have been a nice ape, and you want volume to be consistent over time, which you can see clearly it is. You know, over time it's more or less there, so it's never quite entirely completely fading away to zero, which is amazing, I think. How the distribution looks nice. Developer is live on voice chat. We're not going to look at it because it's too late to ape into this coin, but it certainly looks pretty good from the first sight, you know. This coin maybe, another dog coin, but you know, they do pump to like $20K in market cap. Whole distribution looks nice. Memes about this coin. Not too much conversations though. Volume is there. Very good volume, nice volume. What about the website? A really simple website. That is an issue. So I'm not going to be looking into it further because dog coins, they can go up to $20K in market cap, but I don't see it going up more. Now, what is this? A live coin? No hands kick coin. You might want to take a look at this. Developer holding 0%. Did he already sell? He bought for 4 Solana, or maybe it wasn't him, and he sold for 6. So it's already, it has already been rocked, I think. Yeah, we're going to close this coin. So Anas, the thing is, if you buy for small amounts, that's what I think. Like if you bought for a small amount, the bot should take profits. Like it has like 1 or 2% fee, but if you're trading with like $10 or $20, it will really reflect on your percentages in profit. Like you have way less profit because your fees are way bigger if you're trading with small amounts. So that might be the case uh, for your problem. Book of Cats, New King of the Hill. Let's take a look. Book of Meme, Book of Cats. That's always an interesting meme, interesting name. Yeah, and guys, PUMP.FUN like really is expensive right now. Like as far as I know, it takes 5% fees. Like I'm not sure if it's buy and sell or only buy and then sell, which would be even more. But yeah, PUMP.FUN is robbing people right now. I don't think you should use PUMP.FUN. Trojan is better, and Foreign as well is nice because it has nice functions. So this coin website, let's take a look. Really simple website. I see no Telegram. Maybe here 800 members. Interesting. And not much conversations. I'm not going to look further into this because it's at $40K in market cap. I think it's too late to ape. Mysterious. Let's take a look. Developer holding 40%. 100% a rug pull. 100%. We can keep it open to come back to it then when it dumps down. This coin, a pretty new one at $6.6K in market cap. No website, that is pretty bad at $6K. We can join the Telegram. It's pretty early for the coin, why not? If it's a great meme, which I'm not sure about yet. And yeah, guys, do join the Discord. I think it's really, really helpful for you to learn and to look for some coins from there. Yeah, obviously there is no one. There is a few people talking. Someone talking with the developer. Um, there isn't a community yet. And the volume is getting shallower. You can see no transactions, just someone bumping up this coin for small transactions to increase the interest on the bump order page, you know. So I'm going to close it because if there is no volume, the coins simply do not go up. It needs volume, it needs momentum in order to pull some sort of a move, and this coin doesn't even have volume. If we can take a look at the volume indicator, it clearly lacks the volume right now. And you can see people selling. You know, the market psychology as well. Basically, if there is no volume and other people will see it, the coin isn't going up. And if it's not going up, and if there is no volume, the coin is going down because everyone will see it and everyone will sell because of that reason. And that's the market psychology because people do think alike in that sense. So if I'm in a position, let's imagine that I would be in position right now in this coin. If I saw there is no volume coming in, I would sell, just like this guy. So that's why we are not going to look into it further. SpongeBob meme, Patrick Star, already dead, it's a shame. So many of them just died down, this as well. Back to $4 in market cap, a complete rug pull. We need to find something interesting though. Cat of the Rings, Lord of the Rings, Cat of the Rings, an interesting meme. Website. Yeah, a simple website again. A simple website again. A great website really stands out. A great website is a reason to buy. So they should just put in more effort. You can see transactions are here, volume is there, but it's mixed with the fake volume, with those artificial couple dollar buys, you know, which can really mess you up because you can look at the volume from here and you're seeing all of those transactions, but if you don't look closely, you'll think it's real. But what matters is also how big are those transactions, you know. So volume, as you can see, is on uptrend from here, and the price as well. Let's check out the threads section. This might be an interesting one. Everyone is hyping it up. Let's freaking go. Send it to Radium. You can see the fake volume once again, and real volume is this one. Someone sold. This is also real. Someone sold. This is real. Someone sold. Yeah, so it's a tricky one. Let's go to the Telegram. Welcome to this live stream. Yo, Nick, hello. Have a look at Asian Cat yesterday and Lambo Index, please. Yeah, we have already looked at the Asian Cat like on yesterday's live stream, but we will recheck it in a bit. That's for sure. 6 people in the voice chat, 36 members. Look at the pinned messages always. Twitter nearly ready. I'll be in the voice chat. That's good. Making a Twitter now to start the rates. I'm still here doing the bump buys. That is great. If someone is doing, if the community is doing bump buys, it's great. But make sure it doesn't mess you up. We're holding. I bought the DEX screener. We need proof though. Micro buys. DEX screener is paid. That is a nice sign. So here is the proof. And it cost him $300. So that is a nice sign. This could potentially send for sure. But as you can see, it's dipping now again. And coins below $10k in market cap can just die in like a finger flick, you know? They can really easily die because they don't have established communities yet. So we got to screen this coin. It's a great meme, I would say. Kind of unique. Nice Telegram. You know, DEX screener is prepaid, but If the chart is downtrending like this at 7K, you got to be really careful because that is risky. This I told you will rug, and it did quite literally. It was foreseen really easily. This coin went for a second wave. It could have done you like a 4x or something, like a 3.5x, but now it's dipping. So it's an interesting one to check out again. Developer must have sold because this dip is astronomical, but I can see he is holding from here. So coins can really dump quick, as you know, guys. Someone sold and then everyone is selling. That's really how it works. Everyone is panicking and then the price can dump back to zero. So we can see someone sold 6 Solana. That is the first big sell, first big transaction. Someone sold for 6.5 again, as you can see, then for 8, for free, and now everyone is selling. Everyone is selling now. That is very interesting, but that is how it usually works. One person sells and everyone sells. Coins can dump really quick. And in this case, what you should look at is, does the community buy up this dip? And how quickly does the coin bounce? So if the community buys this dip, it's a bullish sign. If the coin bounces, like we can see here, it's already up 50% from the dip. It simply means there is a community, there is a demand, there is interest in this coin, and traders are hoping for it to go up. So they have faith in this coin still, even though it has dipped. And you can see people buying up this dip right now. So you can easily look whether the dip is going up or whether it keeps dipping. If it keeps dipping, it's obviously really, really bearish. So that is important to look at. How quickly is the dip bought? Is it even bought? Because in this coin's case as well, we got to look, does anyone even buy the dip? And if you can see no one buying the dip, that's extremely bearish sign. Extremely bearish. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Welcome everyone to this live stream. What is the verdict about this coin? For now, I would stay away from this coin for sure. 100% stay away. If the volume kicks back in, if the dip is being bought, sure, this could be a nice one because Dex Screener, as far as I know, is prepaid, but it's really, really dangerous right now. The dip isn't bought and market cap is too low. And coins with a low market cap barely recover. So if a coin dips from like 20k, 30k, 35, 40k, usually there is someone to buy this dip. But if it's at 7k, 10k and dipping down, no one is there to buy the dip. That is the issue, and those coins just die really quickly. This coin looks like a slow mooner, but it has been here for 3 weeks. Wow. But this isn't great, guys. This isn't great because even though, yes, it's slow mooning, it's been going up over time really, really slowly, but it clearly doesn't have enough interest and demand to go up. So if you would enter this coin, which has been live for 3 weeks, you have to understand that you're freezing your funds for days or for weeks with no guarantee of this going up, because it's really, really hard to look for signs when it comes to those old coins. So old coins, which are weeks old, I never even want to look at. There is no real interest in them because it hasn't gone up in 3 weeks, you know. Developer holding, that is a nice sign. He is still working on the project most likely, but short term, this will freeze your funds and it's extremely risky, in my opinion. This coin, as we can see, dips down to 5.7. I think we can declare that this coin is dead now, and really, really quick death, as you can see. A really quick one. Inappropriate picture once again. That is pretty bad for the live stream. This one as well, but that's fine, that's fine. This dog, as you can see here again, first waver, they can dip so quick. I wouldn't even trade first wave cats or dogs, unless it's super great meme. because they do not go up more than 20k dollars in market cap, really. Flax coin, I mean, this has been a trend for days, but it's been so copied by now. There have been dozens of flag and country coins that I don't see them going to Radium anymore, you know? This had its first wave, then now it's going for a second wave. That is nice. Someone made profits. Someone caught this second wave, but it's now at 30k dollars. We can see a nice uptrend in volume. That is great, but we can't see any socials. Maybe we can find them here, but I'm closing this coin. It's no longer an ape. It's too late. This clearly is a first waiver. Why is there such a volume? That is always something to explore. Why is there such a big volume suddenly? Website. This is clearly a big first wave token. Nothing special here. Welcome 27 people to this live stream. Join the Discord, guys. I just created it today. We already have 50 members. So this coin just went up like 2x. Really big volatility. Let's join the Telegram. Really big volume. Verify. Yeah, join the Discord, guys. Join the Discord. Why can't I see any messages? I don't even know whether this is a bug or this is supposed to look like this, because surely there has been many conversations by now. So this is, I'm not sure why it's happening, you know? So I can't even look at the Telegram. If you guys know what's happening, let me know. This coin is dipping now. Take out the volume as well. People selling. When people sell, coins can dump really quick because they all fear them. They're all fearful. Developers still holding. That is nice. And you got to look whether people are buying up the dip, and they are. It already went up 2x from this dip. And I honestly have no clue why it's going up. Like, I don't understand the meme. Probably it's some sort of a trend from the media. Like, it has to be because a random person, maybe not random, but yeah, bold, pretty random meme for me. So it must be associated with the news and with the media, I think. Let's keep it open. Pretty interesting find. It did like 3x since we found it. First waiver, obviously risky. So do your own research. This one completely dead. Just going to close this coin. 32 people. Welcome everyone to this live stream. I will show you my Discord, guys. This is my Discord with 50 people just created today. You can see various sections here. Pump show, we're going to be looking at projects here. Everyone can share their own project. Everyone can talk. I'm going to send my own projects, like which I find from Pump.FUN here as well. So definitely join the Discord. It's going to be great for you guys. Great for education, great for shilling, and great for finding great projects. This coin, first waiver, $10 in market cap. Interesting. Nice volume. What about the website? So I'm kind of trying to speed run those coins quicker for you guys, so we keep a quick pace. This kind of looks nice, this background, but this website really is average again, nothing special here. Buy is going to redirect us to Pump.FUN probably. Telegram. But we saw it already dumped to $7k in market cap. So first waivers really are risky. They just dump so quick, you know? So quick. You can't even get the Photon chart out quick enough, you know? And you should always trade on Photon. At least look at Photon's chart, because Photon's chart is way faster than any other chart. Faster than Dex Screener, really anything else. Again, we see no conversation. That is kind of bad. And already dumped to 6k. So when coins first waivers dump back to 6-7k, they have a really hard time recovering. We can keep this open, but just for that reason, for that dump, for me it's no longer an ape. If a coin dumps from 10k so early with no momentum back to 6k, it's no longer an ape for me. This went even higher to like 45k or 50k, and now it's dumping. But this is an interesting one. It did like a 5x right now, but again, a risky play still. Hugo, you sent a link. Let's check out your link in the Discord. So one more thing, make sure you send those coins to Pump Show. So Pump Talk is just the discussions. But this coin, Oni coin, $40k in market cap. Interesting, the chart to me looks pretty great. As you can see, it's a slow moon clearly. And it's, what is it, almost a day old. It's no longer an ape for me just because of the market cap, but anytime here if you bought, this could have been very nice for you. Like anytime here, volume is always more or less there, and now it finally kicked in, and the price is reflecting that as well, that uptrend, but it's too high up now. But it could have been a really nice trade. Website. Still curious, take a look. Instagram, that is not a website, guys. That is not a website. Yeah, if you caught this coin, nice, but for me it's no longer an entry. But certainly a great chart, a bullish chart, a slow mooner, and this coin is kind of holding its level, maybe trying to recover. Volume is getting shallower though. We should take out the volume indicator, the best indicator. Believe it or not, volume is super great. We are number one friend. And then here, this coin is still holding as well, but volume is still there. That is nice. That is very nice. Zero replies. Is this another rug, guys? Is this another rug? Developer holding 10%. So the volume looks real actually. And the coin is just a few minutes old, 3 minutes old. And it's already at Radium, $62k in market cap. So if it's on Radium, if it's going to go to Radium, we're going to look at this coin because it really fits the Radium strategy. If a coin goes up with crazy volume in a few minutes from 5k to 60k on PUMP.FUN, that means it's a promising coin for the Radium strategy. So we'll keep this open and we'll get back to it when it's on Radium. Let's refresh, and it is going to Radium. Perfect. Very perfect. This coin lacks the volume. It lacks the volume, most likely going to die completely from here. We need volume indicator now. Refresh, so we can see the fresh candles. And yeah, I mean, we just need to take a look. How is this volume candle going to look? I mean, it's still so early for this coin. And this sometimes it's hard to tell from here whether the volume is uptrending or downtrending compared to before, you know? So you can see transactions from here, yes, but you also need this indicator for sure. Really need it. Let's go look for some new coins, for some new tokens. 32 people. Welcome everyone, whether you are a newcomer or you have been watching this stream. Welcome. Happy to have you here, guys. Monster cats, another cat, but it looks interesting. Just the meme looks interesting. Volume looks great again. Socials. So this is nice. Website is simple, but it looks great. It's like pleasing to look at, and this is interesting. This looks great to me. Telegram, quickly. We got to be quick with this always, because coins can go up or coins can go down in just a matter of seconds or minutes while we look and do our research, you know. That is always the issue. And then you have regret that you didn't enter and all of that, you know. 5 members only. Yeah, it's early for the coin. As you know, guys, those first waivers do not even have a community formed yet. So that is always the issue. It kind of has a dip right now. Holder distribution looks more or less fine. Someone holding 8%, slightly too much. People selling now, and it's going back down. So really quickly, and it's already dead. Pretty sure it's dead. Everyone's selling now. So everyone sells at the same time, as you know. Just some big whale has to sell for just a few Solana. It's not even a big whale, just someone who has a big enough of a supply to cause a price movement in the chart. And then everyone will sell. Because people are fearful, people are panicking. And as you can see, this coin is dead. This coin is completely dead. Now, is this on Radium yet? Because this was a nice gem. This was a nice gem. This one, not so much. I'm actually going to close this coin because there is no volume. And if there is no volume, the coin is going down. This coin already is dead, 100%. I mean, it's really foreseen and undoubtful. 100% it's dead. This going down still has lots of volume, but it's mostly setting pressure now. Slow Muna. This is an interesting one because we took a look at it before and it went to a second wave. So now you got to be on the lookout for this kind of thing, which I'll draw for you here, guys. As you can see, this right here can form another accumulation phase, another accumulation zone, pretty much like right here. So after each and every single wave, in this setup, you can say the coin is dead, but if the volume kicks in, it's no longer dead, it's resurrecting from its death, you know? So it is downtrending now, but it's most likely going to consolidate sideways like it did here before. And then this could be a deep opportunity to buy if you examine for bullish signs, and if the volume kicks back in like it did here, it can go for another third wave, and the third wave most likely and hopefully will be higher than the first and the second. So this is pretty much the same setup being formed right here, perhaps. Volume out. So if the volume is going to die, as we can see, the same thing happened here. Let me draw that for you. You can see volume died out, and you can see this is happening here as well. But if volume kicks in back again, it's going to go for a third wave. So really nice coin we found here. I think it's a really nice coin if volume kicks back in. So we got to look at the consolidation right now. Got to look how the price action acts. Is it on Radium yet, this coin? Welcome everyone to this live stream. Yeah, thank you for being here, Hugo. You're always very welcome. This coin with one reply in Radium. It's about to go to Radium. That is interesting. How fast? Yeah, the same thoughts here. Like if coins go fast to Radium in like 2 minutes like it did here, this is a good coin for the Radium strategy. We have two coins right now which could perform well on Radium. So if they have such a pump on PUMP.FUN on Radium, they could perform potentially very, very well. So I'm excited for those two coins right here. Very simple website though. But we found two potential Radium Munas. So that's nice. We have something to look at now at least. And let's look at this coin. This was doing nice. I like the chart. I like the chart of this coin. And in this coin's case, the volume died down, yes, but I think it's good. It's another opportunity to buy into another accumulation phase. But you still should wait for like a few dozens of minutes, like 30 minutes, to see what is going to happen still. Like you have time to buy here. Like here you had 1 hour to buy. So that is always nice. This coin, $20 in market cap, 31 people. Welcome everyone. Join the Discord in the pinned live chat comment. This is something nice for you guys, fresh, created it today, and you are very awaited and welcome. This chart, we can see it's consolidating now for already an entire day. So this is kind of concerning. Volume yet hasn't kicked in. There is no surge in volume. It's more or less the same, but it's holding its price, it's holding its level. Whole distribution looks great. DEX is prepaid, which is $300. So owner is financially invested into this coin, you know? Very nice. Locked half of his tokens. Developer locked half of his tokens. Very nice, and proof here as well. That is great. That is a great sign. I like the community here as well. I like the community here. What about the website? So we might have found a good coin. I might be saying this too early, but what I'm seeing right now I like. What I'm seeing right now I like. And the website too, I would say is slightly better than average. There is nothing special, but it does look better than an average website. Slightly better though. It's not special, but it looks great. 150 members. I really like this coin so far, guys. So far I like it. Only 2 people online. That is not really good. And one of them is me. But there is a conversation happening. Owner and admin. Owner and admin. Interesting. And someone just greeted me. Real person, Nick, a warm welcome. Thank you a lot. The owner is still active. Yeah, guys, I do like this coin. This coin can have some moves for sure. It's at $20 in market cap, so you could expect like a 2-3x here maybe. No financial advice. Do your own research, but volume does need to kick in. So if volume doesn't kick in the next few days, I'm not sure anymore about that coin. But for now, this setup looks pretty good to take some 2x profits eventually when the volume kicks in, because you got to examine the coin for bullish signs. And the thread section looks great, the community looks great, holder distribution looks great, as the developer is active, he's being an active participant in his community. That's what you like to see. And the website as well was better, slightly better than average. So this is another good find, that's what I think. But we now got to look at those radium coins as well. And as you can see here, guys, this coin, $200k in market cap, and it went even higher than that. And I told you guys that this coin had so much demand on PUMP.FUN, it went to from 5k to 60k in just a matter of 2 minutes. So on PUMP.FUN, so on Radium, this coin will have lots of volume, lots of potential. So this is an interesting one. Very interesting. $150 in market cap. We switch it to market cap now. Now it's like you got to look for what is going to happen. You got to look at the volume. You got to look at everything, every sign. $89k volume. Interesting. This is kind of a dip. Support level. Yeah. 125k. So let's see what's going to happen to this coin. This as well performed so well on PUMP.FUN. Let's see what is happening on Radium. 60k, that means it's holding its level. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look. I'm going to close it on PUMP.FUN. This as well from here. This coin is pretty nice. It went so bought early. Like right now, we still got to examine the coin. It might be too high up, you never know, but it was a nice trade for sure. If you had gotten into a position. This is a bit of a concerning chart. Like a classic pattern, every single coin has this same pattern. The coin just goes down to about 20k usually. This one went down to 35k, then tried to go back up, but it couldn't, and now it's going back down. We're going to see what's going to happen. Trend line and volume. Volume is decreasing, $60K in volume. That's still good. So it has enough volume to pump, yes. But the chart doesn't look healthy. Now it's the point to examine the chart. If the volume kicks in back, the coin can surely reverse. But trading coins, of course, are risky as well. This coin, 5x from $60K, is at 300K now, which is amazing. And the volume looks good. It's on an increase, and it looks more or less consistent and stable over time. Very nice coin we found here. A very nice coin. Pods is on Radium. Yeah, this is the coin. Great coin. Very great coin. Can you check on Pump? So which coin do you mean, Sandeep? I can't see any coins from you. Can't see any coins from you right now. You can tell your coin. I'll take a look at it. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Join the Discord, guys. Discord, free and created for you. Really for you, for the community. And I'm as well active on Discord all day long. Because I don't have a job, guys. I do this full time. Like, I'm on Discord every single hour of the day. Every single hour of the day. Volume still looks very nice. Very, very nice coin that we found. We can draw resistance right now here as well. Interesting. Very interesting coin. Kittenheimer, a coin. Nice. So this is going to touch its previous dip, so it's going to come back to support level, and if it doesn't bounce, it's going back down, and it's most likely not going to bounce. So this coin is almost dead right here. Almost dead. Pods has still very nice volume. Very nice volume. Very nice. Let's check out this Kittenheimer. This coin I also liked. And this coin, let's look at the volume on it now. But it feels like it was a trend. I'm not aware of this trend, probably some kind of a media trend. So it had a quick pump, and if it's a media trend, the coin most likely won't recover, because media trends, news trends are so short-lived, so short-living. And you can see clearly the volume on this coin. Oh my gosh, it's just going down very clearly. So this dump, unless the volume kicks in, it's not gonna go up, of course. This one is about to have a nice setup, guys, as well. Do your own research, no financial advice, but you can check out this coin, examine it for yourself, do your own research, because I can see here forming another setup for the third wave. Same pattern happened right here is happening here right now. You can see identical. So take a look at this coin. Do take a look. Pods still performing well. You can see those volume candles, volume from here. Looks great, guys. We spotted this at $60K. And the reason we thought it's gonna go up, it performed so well on PUMP.FUN. Literally a few minutes and it went up. And the same case was for this coin, but this coin went down and it's dead. I even told you, at this level, this coin is going to die. This coin no longer will recover. The chart isn't healthy, so you can't really buy in right away at here. So when the coin goes to Radium, you shouldn't buy right away. So you should wait and examine the chart. You could have bought here, yes, but it's still risky. It would not have been the right decision in the long run, because if you bought here, those coins usually do not pull such a move, So you should wait, and you better should have bought about here, if it makes sense to you guys. So you should never buy coins right away on Radium. You should always wait, examine the chart, look at the trend. But this coin is dead. We're going to close it actually. This one looks good. But we're going to look for some new coins. And you can show me some in the chat as well, guys. But we are doing well right now. Like today, we are actually finding some great coins, some promising coins. Interesting chart. Like it's a first wave chart, but as you can see, it's moving kind of slowly. So a chart that I like pretty much. And the volume has been on an increase. That is also nice. Excited for this coin actually. This might look pretty good. Website. Welcome everyone. Potential entry for pods. We can see a support level right here at 125k, but it's breaking the resistance. Oh god, dude, it's going really high up. So 400k right now. We spotted this at 60k. Before Radium on PUMP.FUN. It's at $400k at the moment. The volume is surging up. $50k. Radium strategy for this coin. Wow, really nice performance. Really nice. Let's see if it bounces from this resistance now support level. Let's see what it does from here. As you can see, it did bounce. It's bouncing back right now. Nice. Now it's dumping. Interesting. But the perfect buy level would be 125k if it happens to come back down here. And if it still has volume, or if volume kicks in, this could be a nice play. But right now I would be buying the top. Tops are so risky, you shouldn't buy the tops. So right now, if you're not yet in a position, wait. If you're in a position, congratulations, take your profits on the way up. But do not buy the tops. 125k could be nice here. Could be a nice entry if the volume still could support another leg, another uptrend. This coin website, so we didn't check it out. This website, I can already tell, disregard much more effort than the usual website. This looks great. I like the website. It's better than average. It's not special, but it is better than average. That is nice. Now Telegram as well. Welcome everyone to the live stream. Join the Discord. It was made for you guys. 26 people. Very nice. 37 members, 12 in the voice chat. And people are talking here. That is nice. Now everyone buy 0. God, I can't even speak. But yeah, community is bumping up the token. That is something nice. That is a nice sign for sure. And they're talking. That is amazing. Damn, this voice chat is legit. Awesome. This is very nice. And they had those rates. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing. What about holder distribution? Looks great. Developer holding 5%. You can see developer has his plan showcased right here in the thread section. We have a very well prepared strategy. Awesome. Kickoff, build community, raid exercises. Very nice. We saw that on Telegram as well. Involve as much people as possible. Milestone, King of the Hill. Burn. That is amazing. 5 million tokens. Prepaid deck screener. Amazing. At 95% bonding. That's a bit too late, but this could be very nice. Activate our first cooler. Instant boost to Ray. Radium, we are decks ready. Launching first series of ads. Nice. Launching non-stop raids with community. Create marketing wallet. Nice. Pay for trending. Yeah, this is too far off, but we did read the most important thing, and this looks great from the looks of the chart as well as the volume. It's downtrending at the moment, but still, this looks great in my opinion. Pretty good coin. The issue now is developer can sell out anytime from his position, from his 5%, and the coin would dump. But if we imagine he wouldn't be selling, then I think this coin is a nice play. Potentially a slow moon, as you can see. It's having its first wave, yes, but it's going up slowly. It is a slow moon, it's not a first wave. I think this is a nice coin. The website was nice as well. Pods, we're back to pods. So let's see if pods comes back to 125k, which could be a nice entry if the volume still is there and it's surging. It was 50k before, it's now 100k, and it was 150 just a bit ago. Good morning Orlando. It's morning for you, but it's almost 1 p.m. for me. That's very, very big difference. Afternoon or evening. Yeah, have a nice afternoon or evening. This coin, really nice. We found it at 60k. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Apologies for this stuttering. It happens a lot, and I'm not sure even why, to be completely honest with you. Diamond hands, interesting. Just from the name, I like the name Diamond hands. Not much effort put into the profile. The website. I can't scroll here, so it's really empty, but this looks pretty good. But the website is average, it's nothing special here. Telegram. But we are finding some really nice tokens today. Like we are on fire actually today. This is like the best live stream in terms of productivity. This is the best live stream like I've had in terms of finding gems. Yeah, so why is no one speaking here? 23 people. There isn't a community yet, as simple as that. Volume. Volume is going downhill. Volume is going downhill. Volume is getting shallower. You can see here some transactions were made 14 minutes ago, and now there was like a moment of quite big silence. So for that reason, like I'm not as bullish on this coin, but it kind of looks like a slow moon. So we will keep this open, but if it has no volume, this is pretty bad. This coin now, I told you, I pretty like it, and going well for it, going well. This coin as well, check it out for yourself, guys. Do your own research, not financial advice. This one we did like as well. Pods, nice coin. Still trying to go back up or down. Let's see what's going to happen. This I'm going to close. Was a great like first wave, but it's now dead, unfortunately. This as well having a second wave setup, but let's keep exploring. Let's keep moving forward. And this coin, Steward, first waiver. Really abundant volume. Holder distribution, 8%, a bit much. Website. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Join the Discord. Join the Discord, guys. Pretty average website, nothing special. So guys, just so you know, like having some sort of a website is bare minimum. Like if a coin has no website, it's under delivering, quite literally. The new normal right now is coins with websites, and this coin went up 2x in front of our eyes. Very interesting. Now someone is selling for 4, someone bought for 7, again sold for 4. Interesting price volatility here. Interesting. Like people are selling big and buying big, but nice. First waiver, too late to enter, but interesting coin. Interesting coin for sure. We'll keep an eye on this. We'll keep an eye on this. 27 people. 27 people. Welcome everyone. Hope you're enjoying the live stream. This is dipping a bit and it has no volume, as I told you before. And people do think alike. If people see no volume, they're going to sell. No one wants their funds to be freezed in a coin which has no volume. And people know if there is no volume, if it consolidates, it's most likely going down than up. And that's the market psychology. Now everyone is selling who knows that, and people who don't are holding still. So short term, this for sure is heading downwards. Long term, if volume kicks back in, coin can move again. So we'll keep this open. Pods as well is consolidating right now, but it still has nice volume, 38k, significantly lower than it was before, but still has some potential and legs. This is going up nicely so far. We should refresh to see the volume, whether it's kicking back in or not, because the chart looks great. And it kind of is kicking in. As you can see, the most recent volume candle is higher than the previous one, and this also is reflecting. Let's keep screening that coin. This went to 45k, now it's going down though. First waves are going down very quick, and the developer was holding 8% before, he's holding 4 now. So he sold out like half of his stake. Like, correct me if I'm wrong, but it did have 8%. Like, he might be buying the next screen as well. But still, if a developer sells, this will create a big panic, So what is the market cap now? Let's refresh. Should be 20k, yeah. 20k. There isn't much of a conversation going on here. But definitely an interesting coin. What about our other plays? Yeah, let's look for some new coins, but we are doing a really great job today. And this King of the Hill still Steward. Do your own research. I think it's a risky play. I wouldn't buy into Steward, just so you know, guys. I think it's an interesting coin to look at, but not to ape in. So just to clarify that for you guys. First waiver, El Chepe. Worth taking a look. You can see the downstairs in volume. First thing you can see. That is pretty bad. And there are transactions, but you have to understand it's the fake volume. Someone is just bumping this token up, you know. We can take a look at website still. Yeah, very simple. I'm going to close this coin. No volume. Doesn't really stand out to me. Ansem, always a trending guy. Let's take a look. Perhaps he posted a tweet, which he often does, and then there is lots of memes. But it's coming back down. Now it's gone up. Interesting. No website, no nothing. 8% holding. Probably Ansem tweeted about something. As you can see, it's his tweet. Ansem media coming, and then it's pumping now to 25k, 27k. Yeah, Ansem is always a trending guy. It started with Ansem's cat, with hopes, which went to quite literally 100 million. So now every time Ansem tweets, the coins go ham. The coins go crazy. 25k in market cap at the moment. Join the Discord, guys. 32k, 35k. As you can see, guys, 38k. If you catch a nice trend, you can ride the first wave very nicely. But it did have a risky moment because it was at 15k or 10k and it went to 7k like in a second. And the thing is, when it's early for the coin, when it's at 10k or 15k dollars in market cap, if it goes below 10k, it's usually a very risky zone to go back into because there isn't a community to buy the dip. But if it's a trend, then it's great. Then it's a safer. And it's too late to buy in for sure. But we saw it at like 10k. You can now see how fast they go up. And it was really confusing as well. Like, what is this coin? Ansem's media, a tweet, and it is. No socials, no nothing. It's just purely, solely a trend. Just a trend narrative coin. There is no project, there is no nothing behind it. It's just a quick pump and dump. It will go up for a short amount of time and it will dump just as quick. You have to understand, guys, this is not a long-term play and none of those coins really are. But it was a nice trade for sure. Our Steward is going down, which by the way I told you is a risky play as well. And if it doesn't have any volume, right now it's just a selling pressure, and then this coin will die. So we got to take out the volume again. We got to refresh for those new candles to show. 15k from 40k. This is a huge dip, but nothing unusual when it comes to first waivers. Nothing unusual, that's for sure. This is going down and there is no volume even. You can see there is no volume. So I'm going to completely close this coin. If there is no volume, it will simply go down. It's foreseen and it's 100%. Like, it will go down. So a useless coin to us. Pods, volume is still there, but an entry could be at 125k level. So let's see if it touches the support. It has to sooner or later, and if it bounces back, volume kicks in, might be a trade, but if it doesn't, it will most likely consolidate on the level or just go down. So it was a nice opportunity earlier, but now not so great of an opportunity anymore. Not that great. This coin looks like its third wave setup still, even though decreasing right now. So this meme is at $15 in market cap now. Clearly dumped a lot. And as you can see, short lifespan, like it already is dead, most likely. $13k. Most likely it's already dead. Unfortunately. $10k in market cap. It's just going to die. So we can just close this coin. It's just over for it. But it was a nice first wave, which you can always write. This coin, by the way, I can tell just from the name. This one is a copycat. This isn't even the first original idea. This is just a recreation. I've seen a Dino coin before. I'm pretty sure you can find them here. And if it's not the first of its kind, as you can see, another Dino before. Another Dino. You can see so many Dinos before. So this is either a scam or it just will dump. Even if it's legit, it will just dump because it's not an original idea. And look at this chart. Does it look good? Not really. Developer holding 68%. A scam. 52 Solana. He didn't even bother to change the profile. You could have just searched for this coin's name to check whether there have been any previous coins with this name and quickly identified that it's a scam or a rug. So very easy in terms of that. Just look at whether coins have been created before with the same name. Again, Matrix Cat with 0 replies. Sketchy. Yeah, just one big candle. It might be legit, we're gonna see. Developer holding 17%. Yeah, I mean, this doesn't look great. You can dump it anytime. Someone selling for 5 Solana each. This might be a legit coin, but he's holding too much. 17%. So let's see what happens. It's either going to dump to 0 or it can go to Radium, but this is sketchy regardless. You shouldn't be buying into this coin under any circumstances. Steward is going up. Nice. This is dumping. Slow mooning. So as you can see, guys, this coin almost did touch this 125k support level, which we were waiting for before, and it had a little bounce. Let's see what it's going to do now. The volume is going to decrease though, so I don't think it's going to go up high. Maybe due to 200k and coming back down because there isn't volume right now. Maybe it can do double bottom here and reverse, but it's not going up right now. Little bounce, sure, but we need volume for something to happen. We need volume, we need momentum. That is how the coins thrive. Hey, I'm late today. Welcome, Jabri. You can rewatch the first half of the stream because it was really amazing. So after the stream ends, if you missed it, you should really rewatch if you have time because we had some nice informative stream today. Really nice finds that we had today. So let's see, is it on Radium? It's going to Radium probably. Interesting, but the developer was holding 17% and now he holds 8. So he sold half, maybe for Dex Screener 300 bucks, but it's always bad if a developer sells. So I'm hesitant about this coin, but let's see how it performs on Radium, because if the coins go up in a few minutes from 5k to 60k, they most likely would have a great performance on Radium as well, because there is so much demand for it, you know? Welcome everyone, join the Discord guys. So this coin, just from the looks of the chart looks great. Looks like a second wave chart. I might be speaking too early, we're going to see, but I'm excited for this coin already. I like those kind of charts. Really simple website, I think. Mascot of PUMP.FUN. I mean, it's a great kind of slogan, a great pusher. Mascot of PUMP.FUN. But yeah, creator. I bought PUMP.FUN on PUMP.FUN and made 10x. I'll never sell PUMP.FUN. I'm 18 years old. I decided to create pet of PUMP.FUN. Domain bought. I'm waiting for response. I made this coin for fun, not a scam. Alright, seems like a transparent guy. You never know though. Dex paid after first launch. Really nice. If that's the case, you can see the proof. Token is relaunched. So it is relaunched. Interesting. Join the Telegram now. 123 members. And people are talking. Nice. Developer is also here talking. Updated. Alright. Something is updated. Our position is the mascot of PUMP.FUN. Yeah, guys, I like the community. It was relaunched. This could go for a second wave if volume kicks in. I will be screening this coin after the stream for sure, because this looks like a second wave potential coin. It did go to almost $20 in market cap before, so this looks like a nice start of a wave if volume kicks in like this. So we're going to see, but this potentially can be a nice trade for myself even. I'm going to be looking at it after this stream for sure. Is it going to Radium? Not on Radium yet. As you can see guys, this coin Steward struggling to go back up. Huge volatility happening here still, but it's not going up and not really going down either. We can take a look at the new updated volume candles, but this chart itself, it's no longer bullish at all. I mean, it never really was, but it's certainly going down. Like you can see the downstairs as well. Downstairs are very clear when you look at the volume candles. I would like to close this coin, but we're going to keep it open just for the sake of revisiting it and seeing it dump, because I think it's going to dump. As you can see this here guys, this has some legs now, like it's kicking in a bit, you know. You can see when I will zoom in, the candle, you know, is green. It's so little, but still this coin looks like it can go higher from here, from 20k. I think it's a great entry for this coin. So take a look, their own research. not financial advice here. You can see Coin touched the support level and went back up. That's why we got to look at support and resistance. It went to 125k. A dip means support, and it touched 125k again. Came back to the support level, and now it had a 2x increase from that point. Nice trade, you could have already taken out some profits from here, from this level. And the volume is kicking back in. It's higher than it was at this point, but it's now lower than it was before. Like it was 100k, now it's only 20k. But this, alright, yeah. The resistance here as well, all-time high. We can take a look at what happens. Psychological levels as well. 400k, round numbers. The coin moves in round numbers. The coins do like to move in those round numbers. One more quick thing. I'm going to charge my iPad right now because it's dying. So we'll open this stream on my phone and welcome newcomers. Join the Discord. And shield this live stream, by the way. Shield this live stream. We have been live for 1 hour 30 minutes. That is very, very nice. All right. Yeah, let's keep looking for some coins. Today is a really nice live stream. You can see this coin kicking in with the volume, and this I even circled for you was a nice accumulation phase. Now it doesn't mean it's gonna go up like this. Like it's not gonna go up like this right now. But I think over time it's gonna slow grind up, and this was a nice, still is an accumulation phase. But the most you can get here really is a 2x or 2.5x, for example, maybe 3x. But a nice setup for sure. A nice setup right here. Pods again, it might come down to 125k, sort of form a double bottom. That would be interesting to see maybe, if volume kicks in again. Yeah, this, I'm telling you, I think this will go down. So we're keeping this open to check later. Is this on Radium yet? Probably is, yes. Probably is, and it is. Close it right here. So what we can see here is a consolidation. It's uncertain whether it's going to go up or down at the moment. 150k in volume, that's plenty full of volume. But you can see like it's downtrending like right now. Short term right here, it's been on a downtrend. We just got to screen this coin. That's really it. You shouldn't buy right away when it comes to Radium coins from PUMP.FUN. But this is an interesting one because it had so much interest in PUMP.FUN that it went to Radium in just 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Those are always great coins to trade. Now this one, I still think it's gonna go down. Unless the volume kicks in. So this coin as well, perhaps a second wave as to do your own research, but the volume, if it kicks in, this could be a nice setup potentially. Because it was a relaunch, the developer looked transparent, the website looked alright, holder distribution looks great, and it's only at $7k. Only at 7k. Do your own research, but this looks like great stuff to me. Museum of Retardium, I like the name. Like the name is funny. Museum of Retardium, and there are 3 presidents. Trump, Biden, I'm not sure who is the third one, but it's trending. Presidents of the US. Website is fire. Let's check that out. Let's verify that for ourselves. Yeah, so there is one issue. Like I saw this type of a website before with the same tunnel with this same thing, which I'm not sure what it really is, but I've seen this website before. Like it's not the same website, but I think that it's a copy for sure. It looks great, but it's not really unique. That is an issue. Now the Telegram and join the Discord, guys. Discord, a great place created for you, for the community. No voice chat, no pinned messages, and pinned messages, by the way, are really important. Really important. Slow mode is intentional cause we on pump. Yeah, I don't see much conversation going on. That is not that great. So I'm going to close this coin. The website looks copied to me. There isn't much going on here. So we have found some nice gems in this live stream. This one looks pretty good still. Matrix Cat now is dumping. So I'm going to close this coin. Like, this doesn't look healthy, I told you. It's downstairs from there. This also, I told you, we're going to keep this open to verify whether it's gonna go down or up. And it's going down and it's dead, I think. I think it's completely dead. I'm going to close it. That's like for sure. This still looks pretty good. We got to look at the volume candles though. The volume candles. And like it's surging, then it's going back down. But I remember we took a look at Telegram and it all looked pretty good. So I'm going to research it again after this stream. This one still looks great to me. Pods might come back to 125k level. But guys, this is the end of the live stream. We had some nice searches, and you can see, guys, this I circled for you. An accumulation zone, and the volume is kicking back in. Looks really identical to here. So I'm going to look at this ASAP after the stream. I think it's a great coin. We took a look at it, and you guys do your own research. And I'm going to do mine after the stream once again. And I'm ending the stream. Join the Telegram, join the Discord. It was a nice stream. Happy to have you here. And see you again, guys, tomorrow.